Hello and welcome, my name is Niklaus. This is episode 49 of our Let's Play campaign of Factorio. We are almost done with this, and let's start by looking at where I left off last time. I left off last time with me having designed something in terms of blueprint here, this part, but then the solution was simple, and maybe you've been sitting there shouting at me in the previous episode. So up here, it goes in on the inside, gets picked up and gets put back out on the outside. So this is like outside, and I want to make sure that there. Right, so it puts out on the outside. I want to make sure that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all of them are connected. Now that goes down here, goes on the outside belt, goes on the inside belt, and inside belt. Now this is where the magic happens, because there's no point in this one setting it on this one. Setting it on the outside belt of the now yellow belt should be going up here to be filtered back. They might just as well just put it out on the returning belt that comes right through. So we did some belt weaving here. So we have this belt. It has on the inside compared to where I am here, and when that one activates, it puts on the outside. This one puts on the outside. That means it will be balanced in and outside. Not that it really matters. And inbound comes in here, gets put in, and goes from the outside to the inside lane where it gets picked up. Not that it really matters, but this is actually quite a neat way of doing it. And I have tested by sending some things through, and I think it works. Now, so far so good. Now, what are some other things that I want to do is actually consider this one. I think it's important that these are connected. Yes. And that means the same here, though that's not, well, it is possible. I'm gonna go out this one because that's my only exit here. Right, and that's also important here. Right, that's why we have robots. See if that works. Yes, yes. Right, correct directions. This one will be water. I need to design this square up here, which should be pretty damn simple because it should just be more of the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ugh. Please stop attacking me, damn aliens. Yeah, whatever. And that means also at this location. How did I arrive at this location as the best possible? That to me seems a bit strange. Well, let's take these first. These are definitely going to be there. That means this one definitely goes up here. And it also means I need this one. That will be a water. I'll take 8 water into this because I don't really care. Now this is the one that for some reason I could build it differently. There, and it's gonna have to be like this. There. Gonna have to be like that. So this will be filled up before it even has to go in here before it goes in there. I will come back to the whole point of having all of these, how they will operate. That works, and you're now ready for this lane, which again will be here. I don't know. Why is that not as close as it can be? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. One, oops. And now I'm also kind of wondering if... Oh, something is different. Here I don't have as much room. See, I can't squeeze in one on this in here. I do not have enough of these. That means more steel. Steel we know if we can find. We can find it over here. Thank you. And there's also steel Let's steal some iron as well. Wow, that's a lot. And I guess I should have that in a box here. Too much. Actually, this is going to be fine. There. Okay, let's see. Just copying from over here as well. And just making sure that it makes sense. Copy. Here. Here. That one makes sense. That makes perfect sense. This one goes into that one. Now this is where it gets a bit tricky because that row is actually not that well suited. It doesn't hook up to anything. It could hook up to that one just like conveniently. Yes, so now they are connected. I do like this being connected. See, what's the difference here? That should be connected, and I suppose I will also need something here to make sure that this is connected as well. That's connected in that location, so oh, and again we're loose. Need more iron. Oh, I do have some iron. And not enough though. Not enough. I'm gonna go here. Cool. Keep going. I am really liking this nuclear power plant. That one, this is connected here. What is that one doing? Nothing much. They're connected here. This one. What are you doing? You are not particularly well connected to anything, are you? Same as this one. Oh, that's interesting. Why is this not attuned? Ah, there's a slight difference. Not that it really matters. Let's continue down here. Yes, correct. Well, maybe. But we need some of this. Oh my god. Just need to check it. Yeah, you're really punching away through. So I'm gonna have to fix that at some point. That's 4. That's 4. Ah. There. This one comes from this location, goes to that location, and needs initially, and that one needs to hook up there. Otherwise, this will not have anything. Oh, you're getting steam there, so you can steam there, so that's also good. Now, at the corner, this will be more like that corner, I think, because it's slightly, it's shifted over one bit. 1? Yeah, 1. Not good enough. Take this. Put it here. And then we need to... Is there a point? Yes. Also how we did it up there. Yes, it is. Perfect. Right, let's see. That one is connected. I really feel that we have everything connected pretty well at this point. So let's see. How are we going to do this? I'm going to take from here some water in. Oh, the one, it's impossible to find the offshore pumps for some reason. There. Here I need 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, I guess. I don't have room for another one here. You know what? I'll take everything from the south. I think that makes better sense. So I'll 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. Yep. Is it there? No. Water. Yay. Okay. Maybe I should have done it this way instead. I think that's better. This one's always going to be the same. It's still the same. This one. Even less so. Actually right here. Copy that. Oh. Was correct before. Cool. And I don't know if that can be mimicked or anything. Blueprint it. This one. Let's do it then. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Then all I need is take a lot of these top ones away. Yep, let's try it. I know I don't need 8, but I like symmetry more than I like anything else. This will be the first entrance. Does this one serve a point? No, it does not. And I gotta figure out do with it there. Good. Now everything has water. And that's perfect, I think. Okay, what else? It's very dark in here. And what else is needed? Before we try to hook it up, it's going to be so dangerous. Yeah. That's one little red circuit left that we used for testing purposes. Okay, let's do some blueprinting here just to see what we have. We have 84, we have 48, and we have 4 nuclear power. That is the perfect ratio in terms of just scaling it up a bit. And now the difficult part is, what am I missing? What thing have I like tied these two together, and are they tied together on the other side? No, they are not, for example. What about up here? Are they tied together? There's... That one is tied in, but these two, where are they? Those two. Not tied together. And that's a shame because this one only gets here, but it has no opportunity to get it. Oh. Now they have water as well. Here, here. This is important because this one could not get in here. What about this one? It's the same with this line. So Good. That actually hooked in on the other side. Unfortunately, the biggest problem with this one is that I cannot run through it. That's a bit of a shame. I have to run around it. Wish that would, but that's kind of not a high priority in terms of design. See, that one is connected there. All right, now the next part I need will be really difficult. Let's get some green wires. That is hooking all of these up, because that is going to be immensely frustrating. Here to there. And just to recap, the whole point of this is actually the point of hooking these ones up is to make sure that I am able to identify how much is actually in each of these. Or actually not in each of them, but in all of them. And use that as a trigger for my inserters. Does that make sense? So basically the inserters will not operate if there's plenty of steam here. More. There. Now we can see how much. Well, we can't see anything, but we can kind of get a glimpse of it. Let's see. How do I get in there the smartest way? I guess I'll take that out. Sucks. Take that one out. Yeah, everything's screwed. Good thing is, okay, cool. Now, next thing is robot carrying capacity or worker robot speed. This is really cheap. Or the mining thingy. This is really cheap. I like having fast robots. Actually, that is not what I should do. And the reason is, then I lose. Ah, my god, this is so annoying. Here. See, I lose my wires if I do that. There. I'll go in here. From this one to that one. They'll go into some inserters. How are we going to do these inserters so that they don't trigger immediately? There. From here. Oops, come on. Yes. So you will only trigger. Will trigger when steam is less than 20,000. I mean, I need to have some buffer. Yes. I'll also do the same down here. You have to pick it from the yellow line and the yellow line. Here. Seriously? Why can I not do that? It's too far away. I can take this one and go over here. Okay, happy? Copy. Yes. But that will only do it when content of all the boxes is less than 20,000. Are we ready to fire this up? Let me think. That one, I mean, I need to get the hell out of here when I flip it. Let's flip it. Flip. Flip. And run out. I mean, I'm running out like it's gonna blow. I don't think that's gonna happen, but on the other hand, we don't know. This is the first nuclear power plant we're building. They are working. They're slowly building up the speed. Oh, this. Let's just put some. Let's get some lights here. And what is really important is this is not a swastika, so that should be good. Are we working? Yes, we are. 142. They need to get to 500 degrees before it starts working. Anything really happens. There, 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 and there. What's the temperature? Temperature is 217. And we can definitely say that this is less than it should be here. Okay, cool. We're waiting again, patiently. These lines here, the heat pipes, they're just heating up to 260 degrees. Very nice. 54. The heat is dissipating quite rapidly. Wonder what the content of all this will be. Would be a lot. So I have a massive buffer. Can't have a massive buffer. I wish I could get in there closer. What is it? 340 and 50. They just keep going up. And let's look at our power production. Currently we are not producing anything from our steam turbines, and we are actually really bumping up against it. I don't even know how much it is going to produce once it's fully up in there. I mean, it's let me just consider that. It'll produce 480 megawatts, as I recall, as I can see. Speed, okay, 450. It's also a nice square here. And that's pretty easy just to blueprint, and let's put one next to if I want to double it. And yes, I could get more benefit out of having a 6. There we go. Now we should start working. Start working. 500. This is not 500. Things are starting. They are spinning. Awesome. Look at that. They're spinning, spinning, spinning. And all the boxes are getting full. No, not this one. Yes, yes, yes. Get more of that stuff. There, that was good. Good note. Notice that. Are they all spinning? I can see all are spinning. That's good. Which means that there's flow everywhere. And let's have a look at our power supply. Suddenly we are increasing. It's not that much actually. Oh, that's because it's right now it's producing primarily just producing a lot of steam. Let's have a look at any one of these. Just see, we are producing a lot of steam, which means that this one, it has a teeny tiny little red marker. You can see that. That means it has stopped. It will not import anything. And this is now 4. And it'll keep going. So it seems to work, and that seems to solve all of our power needs for the next very long time. And when we need more, we'll just stamp it down. I will, of course, share this blueprint if you feel so inclined that you like it. I honestly am quite happy about it. The fact that I can service it from one direction with fuel and taking out on the same direction. Then, of course, this will be reprocessed. That one, that thing. It's not much, but it'll be something, right? Good. These 4 are there. I think we can safely say that we have enough. Let's see here. This is just increasing dramatically. Let's actually look at how big it is. Yeah, it's almost full now. And that's because we're not really using any consumption. But on the other hand, it would have been lost if I hadn't built this. I thought this would be like massive overkill in terms of steam. But if you just look at it, it's almost full. And this is not showing any kind of slowdown here. I would like to see when the next two are coming out. Ones are coming out. And I can't get in there to see it, unfortunately. Just have to just glance at it and hope that the next one will be down soon. Come on. Jump down to 3. I'd like to see that it is not picking more up from the belt. Which at this point means it's quite ridiculous. That look at that. It's just completely full. I thought I had enough. I did not. Is there an option of building... In here, I could build some more. I think I should. I'll do that. Last thing we do. How do I get by? Really important that it does the right thing, right? So there is okay. That is not okay. That could be okay. Because then you're fed from this pipe. It's just important to get this one in. There. And then again, 2 more. Minor thing missing here. Yeah, can't do that. Fortunately, I have to do it this way. Stupid reaching distance. Yep. There. That's still more. This one almost instantly fills up. What about these? They're now down to 3. Great. It is unfortunately, I think, one more thing I need to do. Come on. Sucks. Is to override their capacity. Override stack size. 1. I only want you to put 1 in there. I'll take you out. I'll take you out. There's no point in being so frugal about it. But I think that it'll... I don't like wasting it on the other hand, right? So maybe this one will actually be 50,000 because 50,000 is still a lot. There, right? So 50,000, but then it also only does 1. Here. Good. Everyone's happy. This is happy. This is happy. These are all happy. And from there on, it's just wasted throughput. Yep, okay, we are gonna wrap it up. So thank you very much for joining. I hope you liked this blueprint. I will end up by taking a nice blueprint of this. Don't think I want to have that thing there. Doesn't really fit into the blueprint, if I should be honest. This thing. This is the blueprint for reactor nuclear power belt. It's called belted. There. Fancy icons. I will use that one so we know. And also that one. Cool. Thank you very much for joining. I think I said that. And I'll be seeing you in the next episode. Cheers. Bye.